Hello, my name is Nikita, and I'm doing a reset for Focus Track on Unreal Engine 5, and I did a movie. Last time I wasn't pleasant with my performance and with my grade, so after getting the feedback, I realized that I have a lot of things to do. Let me start with things that I've done. I've done 4 different types of movement for the car, 3 different types of flickering lights. They have different time duration and they differently working, as well as I experimented and worked with the rotation of items with the blueprints. Uh, did some main car as well. It's a fifth one, by the way. Then I worked on the scenes as well as I worked on those items that I hope you already watched my movie in my project, and those items I call them train because they make kind of a way of looking like spaceships or something like this. Uh, the code. Let me show you first of all uh, the another basically code, another basically blueprints for another cars. So this one I already showed. This one is basically the same as probably this one. Yeah. So basically this one is actually pretty cool because you have like a I don't know how it's called, but you have this thing which you can move and it's visible and you can move it wherever you want, and the car is basically just gonna come on this spot, just gonna move to this spot. So it's actually pretty convenient, but I don't know why I didn't. Oh yeah, I didn't use it because uh basically in this uh blueprint I used not event graph, I used the construction graph to be able to see this kind of like a vector thingy, right? Not the vector thingy, the yeah, yeah, this one, the 3D widget. So I didn't use it because I couldn't implement the sequencer tick, which I needed really badly for the sequencer. Because of that, my movie right now is only watchable. Oh, wait. It's only watchable by pressing play. Not. I forgot to press one button. Yeah. So it's only watchable when you press play. And the reason is because I spent a lot of time doing research, spent a lot of time on it, trying to figure out by myself, and it didn't work out. I don't know why, but just uh my car doesn't want to move in my sequencer, and this is the problem for me. So for right now, I only have this version of the movie, unfortunately, but I will work on it 100% because I want to finish this project uh, even for myself. So what about, I also experimented with the rotation blueprint. So I did a pretty interesting thingy uh, here. So basically on the begin play, you have a rotating movement and then rotating movement going to target, as well as I added a set which allows me to, if I go for example here, right? No, wait. Yeah, here. So basically when I go to details, even if I select or copy and duplicate this item, I can separately give it a different speed. So for right now, it does look like this. So it's spinning, you see, which allows me to manipulate those things how I want. I can give them different directions, and they're gonna rotate in it with a different speed, basically. So what about the light? About the light, I did this kind of. It reminds me of a Christmas tree. But I feel like it looks pretty cool. It gives more live feeling to this place. It still does look like a dead place, but I hope I've made it with the lightning so it looks like alive. And I worked with the flickering with the different materials. I worked on 3 ones. So basically, I just added the time. Here is the timer. Basically, the value. How much? If you put it more value, it flicks faster. Less value, flicks slower. Multiply, sign, and the frac, and then just emissive color. Color, yeah, you can change. I didn't need to, so I changed it right on the spotlight. So, wait. What happened? Uh, what else? What else do I? Yeah, forgot. Oh yeah, as well as I don't remember, but I didn't have the character animation. Uh, oh, this is not me. This is not me, but I did add the animation to the character. Now cars are flying to each other. As well as I wanted to work on this thing. You cannot probably see it, but it's a wagon, like a wagon that goes on this rope, and it moves like left, right. But unfortunately, I ran out of time. Yeah, and I have so many things to work here still. It's crazy. Well, yeah, this those items are moving basically on a blueprint. Event graph? No, yeah, this is by the way the ones when I tested the control points. So basically, it's the same as blueprints, but it's just right here, and you don't need to do blueprints. I did it only for purpose of experimenting and exploring. So basically, you set up the one point where it needs to be, and then no, one point when it spawns, and another one where it's gonna be. So that's it. And then I just worked with the kind of tweaked the duration as well as I was thinking to make it ping pong, but when I tested it didn't go well because ping pong is reversing, as well as with the car I wanted to do it as well. So yeah, well, I think that's pretty much it for this project. I still need to work on the sequencer because my cars doesn't wanna work with my sequencer, and that's unfortunate. But I'll make it. I am passionate about it. So yeah. Thank you very much.